Hello students, today we shall learn about health and food. There is a poem written by Marilyn M. Linford about good food habits. Food is the fundamental necessity of all living things. All living things need food. Without food, living things cannot live. Now, food pyramid. What is pyramid? Pyramid is a structure triangular in shape. Egypt is well known for pyramid. Pyramids of Egypt are wonders of the world. They are so big that we feel surprised that how they have been constructed. Base of the pyramid is broad. Apex is short. Pyramid like this. So the poetess says that in our food constituents, what should we take, what food should we take in more proportion, more amount, and what to less amount, and what adequate proper amount, neither more nor less. There are 5 food groups on the food pyramid. There are 5 food groups on the food pyramid. That I should choose from each day. The poetess says that I should choose one thing from each group of the 5 groups of food pyramid. Vegetables, grains, meat, dairy and fruit will help my body work and play. At the bottom are grains, cereals, meat and dairy products. They are energy foods. They give energy to our body. Grains, dairy products, meat, they help our body to work and to play. We require energy to work. We require energy to play. The energy required to work is available from energy foods like grains, cereals, dairy products, fruit, etc. Each food group supplies needed nutrients. Each food group supplies necessary nutrients, means constituents helping to work and grow and repair living body. Each food group supplies needed nutrients to help my body to grow. First group is the group of grains, cereals, meat, dairy product. Second group is the group of vegetables, cauliflowers, carrots, brinjals, flowers, potatoes, tomatoes, chilies, radish, lady's finger. Third group is the group of fruit. We should take more of grains, less than that vegetables, still less than that fruits. Only 1 or 2 fruits a day may be sufficient. Banana, apple, watermelon, orange. They supply us minerals and vitamins. For minerals and vitamins, fruit are important. The fats and oils used sparingly. The third group is the group of animal products like fish, meat, eggs, and milk. The topmost group of food in which a very little amount should be taken daily comprises fats and oils. Fats and oils should be taken less, but they are very, very important. Our brain and muscles and all cells of our body need fat. Fat is the storehouse of energy, but it should not be consumed in a large quantity. It is harmful to eat fats and oils in a large quantity. Fats and oils should be eaten sparingly, means very little. This is very important that we should know. We get energy from grains, carbohydrates, proteins from cereals, meat, egg and milk, fat required for our body from oils and fats, and vitamins. Vitamins means vital amines. There are some substances which are required, though in a very little quantity, but surely they are needed. They are unavoidable. If we do not take vitamins in food, it causes deficiency diseases for vitamins. Vitamins are divided into types like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, etc. They help our body function smoothly. To regulate the various functions of the body, growth, respiration, metabolism, working, digestion, these vitamins are required. Minerals are also required. They are available from fruit. Vitamins and minerals are part of our plan, daily plan of food that we should take. They keep us healthy and strong. Healthy and strong. I will choose each day to do all that. I can to help my body grow real strong. I can help my body to grow real strong by taking proper food daily. Calories within my food becomes energy. Food is digested in stomach and intestine. It is absorbed and mixed with blood and allowed to circulate in body. All body parts get nutrients that are digested. From these nutrients, the body generates energy, heat energy and other energy required to grow and remain healthy. The heat energy is called calories. Calorie within my food becomes energy needed for body to work properly, to remain healthy, to help me think, work and exercise. Thinking is the process done by brain. Brain is the most important part of our body. It consumes lot of energy, lot of oxygen, many valuable nutrients. And that is the reason that it can work fantastically. Muscular work needs energy. Exercise, body exercise is necessary for functioning body properly, requires energy. The energy is used to work and exercise and think. They will help me to succeed, to become successful in life, to live, to grow, to earn, to enjoy, to play. We need energy. Healthy bodybuilders will choose carefully. Healthy bodybuilders, the persons who take great care of their body, building and maintaining, they take, first of all, they find what is required for the body, what is required more, what is required less. In proper amount, they take that type of food. And that is the adequate, proper food habit. Healthy bodybuilders will choose carefully because different foods will supply us not only different kinds of required nutrients, but they will supply us different type of tastes also. To enjoy different types of taste, you choose different type of foods daily. One and the same food, if eaten daily, is not preferable. We do not prefer it. We do not like daily to eat one and the same food. Variation will help us to get different types of nutrients needed for the body. A healthy balance each day. Balanced food diet. Balanced diet helps our body to remain healthy, to grow properly, and to fight against illness and diseases. The body power to fight against diseases is the wonderful thing in the world. It becomes more and more powerful if we maintain our body supplying proper and required amount of different type of foods. Balanced. Eating foods from each category, grain category, vegetable category, fruit category, protein category, or animal category, and fat and oil category. Category means type, food group. From different types of categories, healthy bodybuilders choose proper and required type of commodities. This will help me live a healthy life. Thus, food pyramid guides us to supply our body the needed food constituents in a proper proportion and proper way. Anything in excess is harmful. If we take lot of fatty or sugar or sweet materials, it may cause obesity, fatty nature, or diabetes. Diabetes is really troublesome disease. If we do not take required food constituents properly, there will be a deficiency of these constituents in our body. For example, if we do not take the fruit containing vitamin A, then our eyesight will become weak. We will fail to look properly in a dark night. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A is necessary for keeping eyesight healthy. Vitamin B and B complex, so many vitamins grouped together, is required for nervous system and proper functioning of blood vessels. Iron deficiency. Iron, directly we cannot use iron. It should be taken in the form of food constituents. Fruit rich in iron compounds should be taken, fruit and vegetables, to supply our body required iron. If we take less of iron constituent food, it will create a deficiency of iron in our body. This will result in the deficiency of production of red blood cells. Red blood cells contain a red blood pigment hemoglobin. This hemoglobin contains iron in it. So to produce required amount of hemoglobin and to produce required number of red blood cells, we should take iron in a proper proportion. Deficiency of iron will create deficiency of hemoglobin and red blood cells. This is called anemia of body. Protein. Proteins are nitrogenous compounds. They are obtained from cereals, meat, and animal products like eggs and milk and meat and fish. Protein is the main constituent of body. Body requires lot of protein for growth, wear and tear. Therefore, deficiency of proteinaceous food will create deficiency of protein, will weaken our body growth, and the body will become weak and unhealthy. Thus, various food constituents should be taken in a proper way. Now let us discuss a few questions. Name the 5 food groups. Number 1, cereals and grains. Number 2, vegetables. Number 3, fruit. Number 4, animal products like fish, meat, eggs. And number 5, fat, butter, ghee, milk, etc. What does each food group do? Food group 1, that is group of grains, supply us energy. Food group 2, vegetables, supply us minerals and vitamins. Food group 3, fruits, supply us vitamins, minerals and sugars, carbohydrates. Food group 4, animal products like fish, butter, fish, eggs, meat, milk, etc. supply us required energy storage materials and production of body parts, cells. Food group 5, fats and oils, also supply us energy. They should be taken in least quantity, which becomes sufficient for body. What are the 2 things we should eat in small quantities? Answer: the 2 things we should eat in small quantities are fats and oils. Why does our body need energy? Our body needs energy to think, work and play and grow. Thus, food pyramid guides us to develop a good food habit and keep our body healthy and strong. Wish you all the best. Thank you.